Hi, it's Tony here at Fast Food Systems, and today I just want to take a moment to introduce you to the Vizu Mega Breader. It has a smaller brother, the Vizu Breader. Both of them are almost identical. The Mega Breader is half as long again as the standard Vizu Breader. It has comes complete with lids, and they have their own convenient storage underneath the machine. So we can pop those out very easily and pop them into their storage location. You have the first compartment, which is for your buttermilk dip or your glue, something that helps stick the breading onto the chicken. The second compartment is for your breading. It comes complete with a built-in sieving mechanism. So the advantage of sieving is that you remove all of the lumps in the breading. It makes the breading process quicker, more economic because you're not wasting any breading, and you end up with a more attractive product. Sieving the breading is a very, very quick and simple process. All you do is remove the stopper, scoot the breading down into the hole. Okay, and I've replaced the breading with marbles for convenience here, and press the filter button, and you can hear that the sieving mechanism is sieving out the lumps, the marbles in this case, and leaving us with nice clean breading. So here we go. We can see a bunch of marbles here that represent the waste. In this compartment here, we'll have the reusable breading that we simply pour back into the top there. The two large pans make the breading process very easy. It's literally a matter of dipping your chicken in here, taking the chicken out, and then pasting it into here and covering the product. Give me a call on 011 89 44 11 00, or drop me an email, or visit our website www.fast-food-systems.co.uk. I'm waiting for your call.